Hola, mis queridos language leaders. Hey, if you have been wanting to practice your Spanish more, but you've been putting it off and you're like, I don't know who to talk to, I don't know what to say, I don't want to waste time with these language exchanges anymore, or I just can't coordinate schedules. I cannot be trusted to make these arrangements myself. I get it, 100%. I see you, and I made something really fun for you, which is coming up next week. So, in case you haven't heard, we're opening the doors to the Caminos Conversation Club, my online school, starting Monday for a full week of open house. So, this means that you can come every day if you would like, or as many days as you can. Connect to real classes with my amazing team of instructors and other motivated learners just like you, and connect with us and not just watch like you're watching me here, not study alone, but actually connect to practice your Spanish with us. I can't transmit through the screen what it's like in there, so you'll just have to join and see, but I will throw up here on the screen some comments from our lovely students from our last open house. And guys, believe me when I say that some of these people were nervous. Some told me that they almost didn't show up. Some felt like they were not ready yet. And then they ended the week like, wow, that was really enjoyable. And not only was it enjoyable, but I saw that I can actually do this. And there are so many things that make this experience unique, one of which is that you're not thrown into random conversations. You get your prep materials ahead of time, you know what's coming up, but instead of memorizing phrases to say in class, you get a chance to use what you've learned organically with real people who have different experiences than you. And then you get a chance to use it, use those new words, consolidate them, get practice with the grammar focus. Everything is already ready for you on the platform. Your prep materials according to your level. We have 3 public levels. You can access all of them. The full schedule for each level, everything is already ready for you. This upcoming week, we're all working on the same topic, our self-introduction, but we're doing it in very different ways according to the level. So if you're a beginner, a true beginner, or close to it, you'll be working with simple conversations, saying your name, where you're from, what you do, why you're learning Spanish. You'll have more structure, more support, more guidance at this level. If you're more of an upper beginner, what we call apprentice, you're going to be adding more details to that self-introduction, talking about your routine, your interest, your goals, connecting ideas, and of course, asking your speaking partner questions so that you can find out about them as well. And if you're more of an intermediate, things get really interesting here. You're not just saying who you are. You're going to be talking about your trajectory, your past, your goals, your mindset. Like, how did I get here? What am I working on right now? What's changing in my life? Using things like present, past, and future together. One topic presented in very different ways. And when you get to class, you're talking, learning, receiving gentle corrections, laughing. There's always a lot of laughter in these classes. And most importantly, realizing, oh, I can actually do this. Confidence in your ability to speak Spanish is everything. And improving your speaking confidence is my #1 goal for you this week. Not that you've learned X amount of new words or that you've totally mastered the grammar focus that each level will have, but that you see that you have the ability to learn and to use what you're learning in a different way, one that's motivational and one that could just keep you coming back week after week if you so decide. So if you're feeling like I'm not ready yet, that's literally why this exists. You don't get ready and then speak. You get ready by speaking. What if I don't know what to say? You'll have ideas. You'll have structure. And honestly, everyone is figuring it out too. What if I'm nervous? So many people are. And then it goes away in about 5 minutes. What if I can't attend every day? That's okay. We'd love to have you every day. And if not, we'd love to see you in 1, 2, 3, 4 classes. We'll have dozens of classes next week, Monday through Sunday, so you're sure to find some slots that work for you. You don't need to sign up ahead of time. You can look at the calendar and pop into the sessions that work best for your schedule. You can think of the slots on the calendar as your opportunities to meet, and from there, you'll be divided into smaller groups. And hopefully this week will give you an opportunity to see that this method is not only extremely effective when applied regularly, it's also a lot of fun. You meet people, you start recognizing faces, you start actually looking forward to learning more Spanish and showing up. Instead of Spanish being something that you have to do, that you need to do, it becomes something that you want to do, and that makes all the difference. So if speaking practice is something that you've been missing, come join us this week. We kick off Monday. As soon as you register, you'll instantly receive all of the information of how to log onto the platform, watch the welcome video, start diving into the materials so that you're ready to come speak with us starting Monday. If you've been inconsistent, unmotivated, or just unsure about your Spanish, this might just be the thing that gets you over that edge. I'll be popping into several classes this week, so I truly hope to be able to say hi and hopefully hear a little bit about your Spanish journey thus far. All right, link below. I'll see you inside.